In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a OneNote page from editing. Keeping your notes secure and protected from unwanted changes is important, especially when you're working with important information or sharing notebooks with others. While OneNote does not provide a direct way to lock a single page from editing, you can achieve a similar level of protection by securing the entire section that contains that page. To begin, open your OneNote application and navigate to the notebook where your page is located. Once you're inside the correct notebook, find the section that contains the page you want to protect. Remember, the protection will apply to the entire section, so make sure your page is placed in the right one. Next, go to the Section tabs and locate the section you want to secure. Right-click on the section name and from the menu that appears, select Password Protect this section. As soon as you click it, a panel will open on the right side of your screen. In this panel, click on Set Password. A dialog box will appear prompting you to enter a password. Type in a strong and memorable password, then confirm it by entering it again. After that, click OK to apply the protection. Once the password is set, the section becomes locked and its pages cannot be edited without entering the correct password. If someone tries to access the content, they will need to unlock the section first. You can lock the section manually at any time by going back to the Password Protection panel and selecting Lock All. OneNote may also lock it automatically after a period of inactivity, depending on your settings. When you need to make changes again, simply click on the section and enter your password to unlock it. After unlocking, you can edit your pages as usual. It's very important to remember your password because OneNote does not offer a way to recover it if it is forgotten. Without it, you won't be able to access the protected content. Although this method protects an entire section instead of a single page, it is currently the best way to prevent editing and keep your notes secure in OneNote. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.